Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be doing this neon heart eye look and I don't feel like filming an intro, so let's just do it. I zoomed in to do this eye because I'm attempting to also film for Instagram and TikTok, so hopefully this goes okay. Starting off with a little bit of primer, and I'm just putting this on my lid and blending it upwards through my crease. Usually I bring it like all the way up to my brow bone, but that's not really necessary for this look. And now I'm just gonna sketch out the heart. I'm using this tiny little pencil brush from Melt Cosmetics and the eyeshadow Chase from the BlendBunny Blends palette. I'm sketching out the heart shape so that the corner kind of comes to the edge of my crease here, and then I'm bringing the pink along my lid. It's pretty even with the other eye, so far so good. So I'm going to use the BlendBunny B2 brush. It's like a little fluffy brush, and I'm just going to use this to blend out the eyeshadow. Really buffing out that pink. And now I'm going in with the black eyeshadow, and I'm gonna try pretty hard to make these wings even, but I don't know. And I'm kind of blending it out like along the edge of the heart and bring it in along my lower lash line. Do you think it looks better without the pink on the lower lash line or with it? Either way, I'm adding some pink to my lower lash line. I had to go grab my BlendBunny Dollhouse palette because it has the most amazing highlight shade. It's called Pretend, and it's just like a really beautiful pink reflect. It's amazing. I'm obsessed with it. I'm being cute and experimental and bringing that highlight through the front part of like my crease, like, you know, over here and kind of onto my lid. Now it's time for the liner, which is freaking hard, bro. The key is to force yourself to be fearless. I'm just gonna go in and draw a heart. I'm using my custom palette of water-activated liners from Glisten Cosmetics. Ah! It's not too bad. And of course I'm extending the corner of the heart along my liner a little bit onto my lid. And now I gotta go in and thicken her up. Not bad. Is she even? I think she's pretty even. Now, of course, I have to go back in and kind of touch up the eyeshadow a little bit. I think this is a nail art brush from Shein, so I'm going to use this to do the white innermost heart. Now I'm just adding my inner corner wing. I have to make it even with my other eye. Time to go over this liner. Before I move on to my lashes, I'm just blackening my waterline. I like to use the Sephora brand retractable eyeliner. I'm just adding a little bit of mascara. These lashes are the style NYC from Lily Lashes. Ah! Okay, poked myself in the eye. I think it's time to chill out a little bit. Here is the finished eye look. So now that my eyes are done, I think it's a pretty cute little like V-Day festive look. This is the Anastasia Shadow Stick Foundation. I'm just adding some cream contour here and around here, under my lips. Recently, I've been doing a little nose contour, which I used to never really do, but I kind of started. So I just do like a little circle at the end of my nose and then the two lines. I'm also going to add some contour here, just buffing this in. I like to use like patting motions to just kind of buff it into my foundation that I applied like 4 hours ago. We're doing it. We're doing it. I feel like I have a 5 o'clock shadow, but like I feel like it kind of looks good, but at the same time it's like, ugh, I don't know, I don't usually contour this much. Alright, and then I'm just kind of messily blending in my nose contour. Not that precise with it. Makeup is fun! Makeup is fun! Makeup is fun! I'm just reminding myself that makeup is fun. It's just fun, fun, fun. Even though I've already applied several layers of concealer to my face today, I'm going in with some more concealer. I'm using the NARS Soft Matte Concealer. I'm putting a little bit of my foundation on my sponge and then just going over and blending this concealer in. I'm also using some foundation to diffuse this crazy contour that I added. Have you seen like the girls on TikTok with their nose contours and stuff? I'm like really trying to go for it, but my nose just makes it very difficult. As you can see, I have a very like defined nose bump, so I'm always very cautious with my nose contour because I feel like it never looks right. I've been playing around with it and I think it looks cute, just a little bit of contour. Just using some translucent powder to set my under eyes and also the sides of my nose. Just gonna fluff off all that excess powder. I'm gonna use Melt Cosmetics Polished Cream Blush. I've been bringing my blush up super high and I like it. And I do a little bit of blush on my nose too. I'm actually going to add a little bit more contour. I'm going to use the MAC Studio Fix Sculpt and Shape Contour Palette. And I'm just kind of using this to set my contour because it was looking a little bit dewy. I'm also going to add some more blush. This is Strawberry from Laura Mercier. For my highlight, I'm going to be using Pink Heart from the Moonchild Glow Kit. If any look needs a pink heart highlight, it's this look. Get it? Because the pink heart and a pink heart. I took a little break to eat dinner and change into something a little bit more cute. I put on a necklace to accessorize. I also switched from my regular pink fuzzy scrunchie to my more vibrant hot pink fuzzy scrunchie. I did my hair, which consists of a messy high ponytail instead of a messy bun. And I also attempted to tame my baby hairs a little bit, but I think I need to get some gel because I just used hairspray. I tried to do my lips once. I didn't like where they were headed, so took it off, switching it up. For my lips, I'm using NYX Pushed Up Liquid Lipstick. I'm applying this around the edges of my lips and also just like overlining where I usually do around the Cupid's bow. I'm filling in the rest of my lips with NYX This Is Milky Gloss in the shade Milk It Pink. That's really a funny shade. Milk It Pink. Milk It Pink. Okay. I think I really need to add some more sparkles to my face, so I'm going to go in with Makeup and Murder's Subtle Hint Poison Highlight, and I'm just going to add a little bit of it to my cheekbones. Oh my gosh, I needed that extra sparkle. Woo! That looks so cute! So here's a finished look. Alright. I'm not sure how I feel about the makeup. I mean, I feel pretty good about the makeup, but like my hair, I mean, like this is how I do my hair when I'm kind of trying to look cute real quick when I'm live streaming sometimes, but like, I don't know. I don't know if it's good enough for a YouTube video. I don't know how to do hair. I have to learn my hair. Like, I just wanted cute little baby hairs because my baby hairs are always in the way and they look, you know, ferocious. So I'm trying to tame them and I just don't know how. Alright, there's like nothing I can do about this hairdo, so this is gonna have to be enough. I can't deal with it right now. Even though I had a lot of doubts about this look, I finished it and I got it done, and it's pretty cute. Even if not that many people see it or nobody else likes it, it's okay because it's cute and it's fine. So I'm working on a positive attitude. If you want to follow along in my journey of attempting to revive my YouTube channel and other social media platforms, then go ahead and click subscribe. If you're one of my lovely subscribers that loyally watches my videos and interacts with my content, then thank you so much. I appreciate you, I love you, and I will see you all in my next YouTube video. I can't tell if my ponytail is dumb or cute, but we're gonna go with cute.